In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Squarespace domain to Google Sites. By the end, your domain managed in Squarespace will open your Google site, making it easier for people to find and trust your content. Start by signing in to both your Squarespace account and your Google account, and have your Google site ready. We'll begin in Squarespace to grab the domain you want to use, then we'll switch to Google Sites to connect and verify it. In your Squarespace dashboard, look toward the bottom left and click the settings icon. From there, open the website settings area and choose domains and email. Next, go to the domains section. You'll see your domains listed here. Find the domain you intend to connect. On the built-in domain line, copy the domain name exactly as it appears. If you're using a custom domain you've purchased through Squarespace, you can copy that instead. Keep this value on your clipboard. We'll paste it in Google Sites in just a moment. Now switch over to Google Sites. Select the site you want to use with your Squarespace domain so you're inside the site editor. Click the settings icon near the top. In the settings panel, choose Custom Domain. Paste the domain you copied from Squarespace into the domain field so Google knows which address you want to map to this site. Click. Verify your ownership, then click Continue to proceed. Follow the on-screen steps to verify. Typically, Google will generate a unique verification code and guide you to add it where your domain is managed. Because your domain is in Squarespace, you'll follow the prompts that reference Squarespace. Keep the Google Sites window open, carefully copy any value Google provides, and enter it exactly as shown when Squarespace's DNS fields are requested. If the instructions mention a TXT or CNAME record, that's normal. Use the host name Google specifies and don't add extra spaces or characters. After saving the changes in Squarespace, return to Google Sites and continue with verification. It may take a few minutes for the new record to be detected. If it doesn't verify immediately, wait a bit and try again. DNS updates can take some time to propagate, and in some cases may take up to 24-48 hours. Once verification succeeds, Google Sites will finish connecting your custom domain. From that point on, visiting your domain should load your Google site. If you ever see a conflict message, double-check that there aren't old or conflicting DNS records for the same host. That's it. Your Squarespace domain is now connected to Google Sites.